keep on punching. It was the motto and dogma that longtime Luzerne County Public Defender Al Flora lived by.
His father always had the motto, keep on punching, and Al continued that. He would tell people, keep on punching.
Somebody who wouldn't quit. And his motto, keep punching, that's what he kept doing all the time, especially with the George Banks case, kept punching it.
Al's defense of the infamous George Banks was an example folks brought up at his memorial in the chapel at King's College to exemplify his tenacity, how he kept punching all the way to the United States Supreme Court to keep Banks off death row.
Al believed in the Constitution. He believed in the rights of everyone, even the accused. And he would say often to the young defenders or the young lawyers, he would say, if you don't believe that, if you can't defend the worst, what's going to happen when maybe you get charged?
Al's belief in the justice system was something even lawyers counties away respected him for.
Al was a brilliant lawyer, committed to the Constitution, committed to the rule of law, committed to justice for kids, and he said he would make it happen.
As the former chief of the juvenile unit in the Philadelphia Public Defender's Office, Robert Listenby worked closely with Al to build a juvenile unit here following the Kids for Cash scandal.
Al was the catalyst for making it happen, and he provided the resources and also the strong advocacy on behalf of it.
He was really focused that not one child would fall through the cracks or would be forgotten after the Kids for Cash scandal.
And after decades of being a lawyer who just kept on punching, his persistent pursuit of justice leaves an impact on those around him and the county at large.
He always had one way, all the way, and that was the way Al was. He didn't care if it was popular or unpopular, but if he felt it was right, it was right. Don't get in his way.
Adi Iyer, Newswatch 16, Wilkes-Barre.